Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just wanted to make this video to show you guys what I was talking about in one of my other videos when I was talking about duplex outlets. And I kind of went on a little bit of a ramble there, talking about how home manufacturers tend to hide a box up underneath the trailer. Well, we've come across one of those boxes. And once again, this was it. And this was tucked up underneath the insulation. I had to tear down the insulation to even be able to see this. Okay, but this is what we had. Basically, it's just a junction for the wire. This is the one coming out of the fuse panel, and it's breaking off the different circuits. One goes up to the kitchen light and the exhaust fan for the stove, and this other one goes off to the bedroom. And you know, just over time, I mean, corrosion sets in, you get a bad connection, it starts heating up, and then eventually it all melts together. It's not the first time I've seen this. I'm sure it won't be the last. But this drove me nuts, because usually it's up underneath the door, and this was off to the side, and that was like the first thing I checked was, okay, you know, when you're troubleshooting, you go through every outlet and every switch, make sure nothing's touching, you know, because with the meter, I was getting continuity between all three wires, you know, which told me there's a dead short, and they were all burnt together, melted together, and I couldn't find it, man. I spent 2 days. I've been all up underneath this trailer, you know, because I was also getting continuity with the trailer ground as well. And it turns out that this was actually touching the trailer frame. That's why I got continuity with the frame ground as well. But it wasn't exactly where I'm used to it being. It was off a little bit further to the side. But if you're having problems with a mobile home and you have a circuit that's dead shorted, and you've been through all the outlets and everything, and you can't find any problems, you know, because the only other option is you're going to have to run a whole new line from the fuse panel to, you know, the areas of the house you don't have power, and that could be rather expensive. So yeah, you're going to have to crawl up underneath the trailer, you're going to have to cut down your insulation, but somewhere there is going to be a box, one of these brown boxes, and it's going to have wires in it, and they're going to be burned up and melted together like this. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully ease the trouble of troubleshooting your electrical.